Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on TRB. As in my earlier videos, I have been showing you a huge breakout from a very big falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, it broke another very long-term resistance on as well. And this was my last video, by the way. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after this powerful rally that was more than 1800%, the price line has broken out this long-term resistance zone and now it is retesting the previous resistance zone as a support zone. And now it is also gearing up. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for TRB that I shared on 22nd of September 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse Gardner pattern that TRB formed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And you can see this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone. This was the sell target zone. And below $31.44 was our stop loss. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal. And you can see it rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 113% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of TRB. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And you can see previously since after September 2020, it was moving inside a very big falling wedge pattern. You can see we had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. We got two rejections here, another rejection here, another bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, rejection. And this was the last bounce that was happening here in the month of June 2023. Then the price line broke out the resistance of this very big falling wedge pattern. If I place this measurement tool from this low when we were testing the support of the wedge here in the month of June 2023 up till this high, then you can see it rallied almost 1828%, but got rejected by this long-term resistance of $144. That was, by the way, also the target for this breakout from this big falling wedge pattern as well. And during this rally, the price line has also broken out a very long-term resistance on as well. That was starting from $80 and goes to starting from $70 and goes to $80. That had been previously as a working as a strong rejection zone resistance on here in the month of August. You can see we got rejection here, and here it was working as a resistance on, and here as a resistance on. And you can see that during this rally, 1, 2, and for 3 weeks almost, it had been breaking as a strong resistance, and finally price line broke out this resistance zone. And now, after the retest of the previous resistance zone as a support zone, now the price line has geared up, and I'm expecting that soon it can make another attempt to break out this resistance of $144. And once it will be able to break out this long-term resistance of $144, then this previous resistance of $144 can work as a long-term support for the price line. And this rally to the upside will be continue for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.